Yep, I know. You already know. You already know that you need to start a side hustle, a business. You need to bring in another stream of income into the house, or you need to replace income that has left the house. You already know you do. So you're out here scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and looking for the right opportunity. I know I've been there before. My question is, what's holding you back? Because faith without works is dead. So you already know the assignment. You know the assignment, but is it fear? Is it fear of failure? Is it fear of success? Because you know you're going to win. Is it a lack of knowledge, meaning you don't know where to start, how to start, who to start with? But you know it's supposed to be on social media, you just don't know where. Is it a lack of money? Or is it because you have the money, but you don't want to risk investing it and not getting a return on your investment? But at least you know the destination. You know that it's on social media. You know that you know that you know it's on social media. But it's so vast. Oh my God, it's so big. There's so many opportunities on social media. I have been exactly where you are. There's so many opportunities, and you know that you got to do something. You know you need to do something right away. You know you want a piece of the pie. You know you want some of that digital real estate. You know that you want to find your place in this digital space. You know you do because you're supposed to. So ask yourself those questions like, what is holding you back? What is keeping you from moving forward? I have some notes over here and I have my phone over here and a webcam right here. So if you see me looking around, I'm doing the thing today. But I was in the same predicament after I had been unemployed for about 9 to 10 months. I had started a coaching business. I had wrote my first ebook, and my ebook was like under $30. And I was like, okay, I didn't market that right. I'm not doing this right. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I wrote the book and it's out here. Like I'm posting every day about the book. And I was like, okay, but even still, 30 something under $30 is not really going to net me that much money unless I sell millions, thousands, billions. Kind of money I want to make. So I was scrolling just like you're doing right now, and I ran across this lady. I started watching her. Was still prolonging the process, but I started watching her. She was talking about this digital marketing course, and I'm telling you, the digital marketing courses sounded like it had everything that I was looking for my coaching business, for my digital products, for a way for me to learn social media, and a way for me, not just social media, but a way for me to learn marketing, digital marketing, and also for me to make money because I can make money from selling the course, which is what I'm talking to you about today. So it made so much sense to me that since I was already making content for my digital products, my ebook, that I might as well go ahead on and make content for my mid ticket offer. If I'm already doing it for a low ticket offer, come on, it takes what, an hour a day, if that, 30 minutes. The more you do it, the better you get to make a video to upload or to make some content to upload, or you can get Chat GPT to give you all of that. So, I mean, come on, it's just a matter of using your phone to get the stuff uploaded. So, um, so whatever is done on social media, like y'all know it has to be marketed. Whatever is done on social media, if it's something that's being sold, whether it be a service, a garment, a bag, a shoe, coaching. whatever it is, it has to be marketed. So the beauty about the course that I have that I'm getting ready to talk to you about real quick, just four things. One is that it has master resale rights. Master resale rights means that you can turn around and resell it for the same thing you purchased it for. The course costs $599. I currently have it on sale for $500. So you can sell it from anywhere from $500 to $599 right away. That leads me to the second thing. It is turnkey. Turnkey meaning that everything is set up for you, but there are a couple of things that you have to do. And these are things that you would want to do. One thing is set up your payment system. We walk you through it step by step via video, and your email system, your email funnel system. We even provide you with some email templates, but it's step by step, and it's really easy to do. You can have your business set up in a weekend. It just take a couple of days to get it set up. The third thing is that you will not be starting your business on your own. We want to do business with you. So, another thing that comes with your digital marketing course, your digital marketing business is a digital marketing community. The community is amazing, y'all. It is amazing. We meet once a week and we are getting master course level information to help you to build a sustainable, viable, powerful money making business. I mean, when you leave these meetings, you are on fire. Another thing that you get from this course is a bonus, and it is a one on one rapid fire business strategy coaching session with me, Coach TamaraDarice. One of my gifts, or one of my you take all them tests. One of mine is strategic. So I am strategic and I am anointed to help innovate things. So you will have a rapid fire session with me. We will talk about whatever you want to talk about that relates to business, online business. All right. So those are the things that you get with the course. So now that you already know, I know that you're looking for someone that you trust, someone that you like, someone that you resonate with, someone that you're discerning is of good character. I get it. I get it. I get it, because that is exactly what I was looking for. And I did find that. So, anyways, the course, and right now it is on sale for $500. You get an entire digital marketing course that you can learn digital marketing from. Digital marketing is not going anywhere because social media is not going anywhere. And to have that skill set of learning how and knowing how to market is more than just making a video or putting it up. You got to have your SEO set up. You need to have your Google stuff set up. You need to have your information needs to be right. It's a lot of strategy involved. There's a lot of not things that are overwhelming, but just things that you need to know. And you can even start a whole business doing that for other people. You can start a whole business as an SEO specialist. You can start an entire business just as a marketer. Um, so there's so many things that you can do, so many things that are amazing. Another thing I'm not sure that I said, but the community, I'm telling you, it is master coach level. It is amazing. You get your money's worth with this. So head over to my site. It's Transform 180 at digitalmkt.com. Once you go to my store, you will also find that I have some faceless marketing information that is for a good price. You can start a business, a faceless business. I have everything that you need. I even have 22 guides that you could purchase, and they have PLR and MRR rights, so you can turn around and resell them right away. And I also have a free guide that's going to tell you more information about digital marketing. If you have any questions, once you go over to my site, download your free guide, you will get my email address. You can email me, you can DM me, reach out to me however you deem fit on here, and I will reply. I want to help you find your place in this digital space. I want to help you to fulfill what you already know. I'm Coach TamaraDarice. Blessings.